Hey. Come on, Dad. Shove it up his ass.
The problem.
But this will be a good time to get matches.
Put it on the floor, then cover it.
Yeah, put it on the floor.
Now I warn you, I don't know what I'm doing because I'm trying to get matches out of my pocket.
Let me hold the cover.
You can hold something.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, fuck.
Why is it saying I've got no battery left? Oh well.
Oh, Dave.
I didn't charge it.
Let's be recording.
It's recording.
Guys, get close.
You get
It's not
after-
going to explode, it's just going to set on fire.
Hang on.
If it goes boom, I'll blame you.
Go on.
Adam, you have to put it
on.
in it.
Okay.
Stick it in.
Look at it, it looks like a big pile of jelly.
That, my friends, was a chicken.
We're going to run out of matches.
All we're doing is putting match.
Fuck.
I blame Johnson. What? This is your stupid idea. Let's go blow up a chicken.
Oh. How are you meant to set it on fire?
I don't know.
Right, I think next time, boys, is a can of deodorant with a lighter.
Yeah.
Hang on, no, light the match right down by the
Everyone
fucking thing.
stand around. No, actually stand around.
Light the match
We
down
should
by
have
the...
done that originally with deodorant, shouldn't we?
Well, that was brilliant. I was thinking about kicking it. We should have put the move. Damn it, I missed that.
Into there, don't kick it to the...
Hold on. Go check the damage date out. It hurts me.
Let's go look at it.
Survived.
This is a warning to chickens anywhere. Come to this country with bird flu and you will be kicked.
Come back in a couple of days if anything is it.
Squirrel on it or something.
Ah, my foot already hurt.
Johnson!
Should plug one of these rabbit holes in the chicken. Yeah, next time we'll fry one with the deodorant.
Fry it. Oh, I have bollocks! Oh no! I have molehill in my foot.
You can't do a molehill.
I have molehill in my foot, and it hurts.
What should we do now?
I don't know.
I want to physically do something because
Hey up.
Hey.
I'm being...
Hello. I'm gonna have to turn this off.
Just keep recording.
But the battery's about to go. Look, it's even saying bye bye battery.
I'll put a new battery in when you get home. You may as well keep recording till it's gone.
That's a good point. Are you sure you should keep recording? I might get done for paedophilia.
That's a good point. Wait to see the scary one.
Zoom in!
On what? Bird. I was trying to go for that bird actually, but
Do it now so we can watch it again.
why not?